Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry. So I don't know if you're familiar with like Harper's Bazaar. They do like a food diary videos, and I believe there was also something on TV like with celebrities where they would do like my diaries or whatever. So I wanted to kind of piggyback off of that and do a my foods diaries video. I thought this would be kind of fun, so let me know if you guys like it. It's just gonna be like different restaurants I've been to, different things I've eaten in the past few weeks or so, and throw some home cooked meals in there as well. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos. Don't forget to check the description box below for all my links and other little fun things that I throw down there. Leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and right next to the subscription button is a bell button. If you click that bell, then you'll be able to get notifications of when I post other videos so you never miss them. And I thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.